Peacock.
Ford, who's sitting next to you?
Emily.
Do you love her?
Yeah.
You give her hugs? Aw, sweet friends.
Yeah.
What book are you reading her?
What's it all about? What's it all about?
I don't know. What's it about?
Cocky.
It's about Cocky. It's not about Cocky. It's about dinosaurs.
The end.
Good job.
I'll go downstairs.
You do?
Yeah.
Or can you tell Emily you love her?
Her Emily.
I love her, Emily. Yeah. You
You
guys are good friends. Tell her again, Ford.
I love you, Mommy.
Good. That was real sweet. Bye. Bye, guys.
I'll go downstairs. Let me hear the...
What sweet friends you are.